This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable tagging on Instagram. I will be using the desktop app on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Instagram here. I have Instagram opened up now. To enable or disable tagging on Instagram, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner down to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, I'm going to scroll down a ways to where you see how others can interact with you. And right down here, Tags and Mentions, you want to click on Tags and Mentions. Then on the center pane, who can tag you? Do you want to allow tags from everybody? Do you want to allow tags from people you follow? Or do you want to not allow tags? Don't allow tags. You can toggle any one of those three on. Down below that, you can select to manually approve tags. I'm going to click on that. And if you toggle this on right here, you will manually have to approve any tags. But that is how to enable or disable tagging on Instagram. Thanks for watching.